to all 6th standard biology. Chapter 9, the living organism characteristics and habitats. Today topic, habitat and adaptations. Okay, student, I hope all read the page number 79 and also 80. Okay, and also all are do the table 9.1 and also worksheet. Okay, all are finished. Okay, today topic, habitat and adaptations. What is habitat? The surroundings where an organism lives, where it can find food, shelter and a favorable condition for breeding is known as its habitations. Okay, the surroundings where an organism lives, where it can find food, shelter and a favorable condition for breeding is known as its adaptations and habitat. Okay, then we goes to adaptations. The ability of a living organism to adjust themselves to the surroundings is called as adaptations. Adaptations are the changes in structures or behavior of organism that will allow the organism to survive in habitat. Okay. So, the presence of certain specific features or habitat which enable a plant or an animal to adjust and live in its surroundings is known as adaptations. Okay. Then we goes to a habitat. There are many variety of organism present in the different in habitat. Okay, plants, animals, microorganisms. So there are many types of habitat. However, these may be broadly grouped as terrestrial on the land, the second one aquatic in water. Okay, two types of habitat, the main group. The first one is terrestrial, then the second one is aquatic. Two types of habitat. There are two types of habitat, terrestrial habitat and aquatic habitat. Terrestrial habitat, it refers to the land where all plants and animals survive. Animals and plants which live on land are called as terrestrial animals and terrestrial plants. Okay, the animals or plant which live on land are called terrestrial animal or a terrestrial plant. The terrestrial habitat is further classified for forest, grassland, desert, mountains, polar regions. Okay, we study deeply next class. Okay, the terrestrial habitat. Next, aquatic habitat. The aquatic habitat is refers to the region covered with water. It refers to the region covered with water where plants and animals survive. These are many types: freshwater habitat, marine habitat, coastal habitat. Okay. Next, acclimatation, the ability of an organism to make small adjustment or changes in the body in a short period of time to adjust itself to the surrounding atmosphere is called acclimatation. There are two types. Okay, what is acclimatation? The ability of an organism. The ability of an organism to make a small adjustment or a changes in the body in the short period. A small adjustment or changes in a short period of a time. Okay, to adjust itself to the surroundings atmosphere is called acclimatation. Okay. These are habitat and adaptations. Habitat two types, terrestrial and aquatics. Okay. Then here components of habitat. There are two types of components in our habitats. The first one is biotic component and the second one is abiotic component. Biotic component, it includes all living organisms in a habitat. It includes biotic means it includes all living organism in a habitat. For example, plants, animal and microorganism. Microorganism means a single cell organisms. Microorganism means a single cell organisms. Then we go to a abiotic component. It includes all the non-living things in a abiotic habitat. For example, air, soil, water, sunlight and temperature. It includes all the non-living things in a habitat. Example, air, soil, water, sunlight and temperature. These are abiotic one. The favorable conditions for the survival of a living organism are provided by abiotic component. The abiotic component, the first one is air. Air is essential for all living organism on earth. Plants and animals take in oxygen from the air during respiration. Air is required by organism to cool their body. Okay, yeah. Then the second one, soil. Soil is the topmost layer of the earth. Soil is rich in minerals and microorganisms which help in different ways for plant growth. Okay. Soil is the topmost layer of the earth. It is rich in mineral and microorganisms which help in different ways for plant growth. Okay. The third one, water. Water forms a medium for many metabolic reactions taking place inside the body. Then fourth one, sunlight. Sun is the ultimate source of energy for all living organism on the earth. We already studied the ultimate source of our energy. Sun is the ultimate source of our energy. Plants depend on sunlight for synthesizing their food by the process of photosynthesis. Okay. Then fifth one, temperature. Temperature at a place depend on the sunlight available at the particular place. Temperature also influences the humidity of that particular place. Okay, these are the abiotic component. These are the abiotic component. Okay, then we studied. You see this slide. What are the abiotic factors in this ecosystem? You see the picture. This is a ecosystem. In this picture, biotic component and abiotic component are here. Okay, which one is abiotic factors? You identify and write the answer. Okay, then we go to a next one, the interactions of biotic and abiotic component. Organisms do not live in isolation but are interdependent. Okay, these are, you see the picture, plants, climatic factors, animals and also soil factors. Plant, herb, shrub and trees are here. Climatic factors means light, air, temperature, water. These are interdependent. Okay, these are interdependent for each others. You see the pictures. Okay, now we go to here. So all the abiotic components are important for survival of biotic one. Okay, students, listen. All the abiotic components are survival to Abiotic components are important for all living things. In order to survive, living things adapt to abiotic component of a component. The abiotic component of a habitat support and enable biotic component to live. All living things require air and water. A part of this other abiotic component such as sunlight, soil and rocks are necessary for living things because they help them lead a comfortable life. Okay, the abiotic components help them lead a comfortable life. Okay, you see that you take your book, page number 82, a small activity number 2, page number 82, activity number 2, germination. You already studied germination in 5th standard. Okay, you see, first a simple activity. This activity find the germination. Which materials you take? A dry monk seeds and 4 petri dish or a container. 4 petri dish or a containers. First you divide dry monk seeds into 5 parts. Keep one part of dry seed aside undisturbed for 3 to 4 days. Okay. Soak the rest of the seeds in water but in 4 different petri dish or containers. Okay. Keep the seeds submerged in water and leave them undisturbed. After 1 day, drain excess water out of the petri dish. Okay. Keep one of these petri dish in a sunny room. One in a complete dark room or cupboard, and one in a cold place such as a refrigerator or surrounded by ice. Okay, ice cubes. Remember to keep the seeds moist. Observe the mung seeds after 2 days. What do you see? The seeds kept in a sunny room as well as in the complete dark room or cupboard germinate. Okay, so we'll learn abiotic factors such as light, heat, air, water and warmth are important for the germination of the seeds. Okay, which one is used for germination? Light, heat, air, water and warmth. These are abiotic factors. You see the pictures. Okay. So, students, all are studied the page number, all are read the lesson page number 81 and 82 and also 83. Next session we meet a journey through different habitats, the deep study of terrestrial habitats. Okay, all are read the page number. Okay, thank you.